So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to check the number, whether the number is odd or even.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So we will do this using the AND operator. If you don't know, I'll explain you.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
Let's say we add the number like this: 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1, and we'll end this with 1, and rest of the numbers before 1 will be 0. So our answer of number with 1 will be 1, because 1, the number end with 0, it will give me 0. So the answer of this will be 1, because 1 and 1 will give me 1. So if the last term is 1, so our number is odd, otherwise the number is even. So in general we can say that n or and 1 equals to 1, then our number is odd. Otherwise it's even. So now let's try to code this. I'll open my IntelliJ IDE and I'll make a new Java class.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल.
And I'll name it as odd or even number, and then I'll make the main method, and then I'll make a scanner class, scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and then I'll make an integer and n equals to sc.nextIn, and then I'll make another method, private static boolean int n. So I have to name this method. I'll name it is odd, and then I'll simply return n and 1 equals to 1, and then I'll shout here is odd, and I'll pass integer, and then I'll run it. So if I'll pass 67, so it give me true, because 67 is an odd number. So if I pass 68, it will give me false, because 68 is not an even odd number, it's an even. So it's all about this.